All right, we're going to be working on page 14 in our math book. So we have order of operations here for problem number 1. And we always want to solve step by step and follow order of operations. So the first letter is P, tells us parentheses. So we have parentheses here, so we're going to follow the parentheses. Well, what is 14 plus 6? You'll solve that. You get 20 here times 2. And then we just rewrite and solve. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. Add a 0 to get 40. Don't forget on B that this symbol means to divide. So I have 21 divided by 3 plus 14. I do what's in parentheses, so 21 divided by 3. I could use my multiplication chart to help me, or think 3 times what is 21? Well, that is 7. And then I rewrite plus 14. And then I would solve some more. 7 plus 14 is 21. Next, I'm going to continue on for C, parentheses again. 10 times 8 is 80 minus 20. And I can do that one in my head, but you might want to stack it just to be sure that we get 60. Now, list the 3 attributes that have volume. Well, name 3 objects that have the attribute of volume. Sorry. So things that take up space in this world or that hold things, like a water bottle has volume. What are some other things that have volume? List them in. A box. Things that are 3 dimensions. So they would have to have a length, a width, and a height. So what are some other things? A book. Lots of things in our world have the attributes of volume because they have a length, a width, and a height. Joe's closet is 6 feet wide by 1.5 feet deep. Find the area of the closet floor. So now I'm shifting from volume to area. I know area equals length times width. So my length here is 6, and remember order does not matter, times 1.5 feet. Well, I could do 1 times 6. And then this 6 tells me to repeat my half 6 times. So I do 6 times 1 plus half plus half plus half plus half. I'm running out of room here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, I know 6 times 1 is 6. Half plus half is 1. Half plus half again is another 1. Half plus half is another 1. So then I have 1, 2, 3 halves, or 3 over 3, 3 wholes, sorry, not 3 halves, plus 6 would be 9, but only put that if it makes sense. If that does not make sense to you, then what does? Does 6 and 6 halves make sense to you? Then that's what you would put in, but only put an answer that makes sense to you there. Which numerical expression shows the following calculation? Fill in the circle next to the best answer. Add 7 and 3, then multiply 6. So I need a plus sign and a multiplication sign. Sorry, it's a little funky here because I have to curve the book. I need to add 7 plus 3, and then I need to multiply by 6. This is then multiply, so that means I probably want to multiply last. So if I want to do something first, I need parentheses around it. Well, I'm not multiplying 6 times 7, so that doesn't work. Ooh, this shows 3 plus 7 plus 3 first, then multiplied by 6. That could work, but let me check. This one says to do 7 plus 3 plus 6. Well, that does not work, so it has to be B there. Now for 5, explain how you found the area of Joe's closet. So what did you do to find the area? So what I did was I multiplied. So I multiplied 6 times 1, then added half 6 times to the answer of 6 times 1. However, that might not work for you. You might have done something different. My answer might not be the same as yours.